Today, we're going to build the Batmobile using 17 Lego pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
We're going to start with a 1x4 plate piece. And I'm going to turn that 1x4 plate piece over, so we're working on the bottom. And I'm going to grab two 1x1 plates with ring. And what I want to do is I want to put those plate with ring, so the plate goes on the ends of my 1x4 plate, so we put it on the end, and the ring hangs over the side. So I'm going to do that to both ends with the 1x1 plate into the end, ring hanging over the side. And now I've got this little gap on the bottom. I want to fill it in, make it a little more thick, so I'm going to grab a 1x2 plate piece and just put it right there in the center to kind of finish that build and make it more solid. And once I do that, I can turn this thing over, so we're working on the top. And on those rings, I'm going to get four 1x1 round plates in this dark bluish gray color. I just want to get a little different color than black. I didn't want it to be all black, even though it's Batman and he likes black. So I'm going to take those 1x1 round plates and just put them on all four ends of my rings that are sticking out the front and back of my Batmobile. And once I have those on, I'm then going to get four 1x1 round tile pieces and going back to black. This is going to be the wheels of our Batmobile. So I'm going to put those on all four of those 1x1 round plates and just put the tiles on top to complete the wheels to our Batmobile. And once those are on, we can start building up the body. And to create the body, I'm going to get a 1x3 tile piece. I'm going to put that tile piece on the front two studs and have it go over the front wheel. So what I do is just get that tile piece, put it on the front two studs, and then it hangs over the front wheels. That's kind of like the hood of our Batmobile. And on the back, same thing, except for I'm going to get a 1x3 plate piece with those nice studs, put it on those back two studs, and have the third stud hanging over the wheels. And now on that center stud or front stud, I'm going to grab a 1x1 translucent black tile piece, and this is going to be like the cabin of our Batmobile, so Batman can see out, because, you know, I don't want to make it solid black or else he wouldn't be able to see. So once we have that in place, I'm going to get one more 1x2 plate piece, just kind of smooth that out and make it more even with the tile piece. And once I have that on, I can create the back fin to our Batmobile, which is this 4x1 curved slope piece. Now I'm going to put that curved slope piece so it's on top of those two back studs and hang over the back of the Batmobile. And here is our micro Batmobile, ready for Batman to chase criminals through a micro Gotham City.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe or check out some of our other videos. Until next time, let's keep building together.